I'm talking about the filter. Filtration means suppose you don't want to the whole uh, text or whole document not want to see here, so just do the criteria wise. So just here I'm click here and uses the data and click the filter. Okay, now see this is the filter here all coming here. So I want to check here the date or the here all Monday Friday all here. So I want to see only Friday. See here the Friday, the date 6 13 20 and the 27, and it will be the holiday. Okay, also you want to the another date, suppose Sunday, select deselect all and you want only Sunday. See here the Sunday. So this concept is called the filtration. Filter for the text, filter for the content. Okay, now select all means show all. Okay, if you don't want deselect, and suppose I want to the Friday and Saturday only. See this Friday and Saturday only, so this column. Okay, also you want to for the another column. See here showing the two means here the only two working day on holiday. So choose here deselect all only holidays. See here the only holidays. If you want to see the working day, deselect here, choose the working day. See here the working day. Okay, so this is called the filter. Okay, thank you.